This is KYLEE Heath, y'all. Celebrity hairstylist to the stars. She's amazing. She does everyone. We actually work with Rashida Jones together, and KYLEE's going to show us some sort of hair hack. What is it?
Okay, so I'm going to show you using extensions and this Kevin Murphy hair chop, how you could add some color and some pop to your hair without commitment.
Oh my God, I love this.
And one other tip too, I store my extensions in a braid. So I didn't do anything to them. They're already styled, so then you just can clip them in. So those are already done. And you could also braid your hair and then clip them in, and then you really don't have to use any heat.
Now, do you keep them on hangers?
Well, I braid them, but then I put them on my hanger when I'm gonna style them. So since I'm gonna be using the chalk, the hanger will hold it for me.
That alone is a great tip. Okay, we got 2 great tips. All right, let's see this. I'm so excited.
You just take the chalk, and I'm gonna put, look, you just do it with your thumb, kind of like this.
Oh, wow.
I like to add it at all different heights. Like, so some I'll add just to the tip, some a little higher up.
It's so pretty.
And it rinses out super easy. Obviously, you could do it right on your hair too. You know this tip, especially right now. I have really bad roots, like I'm sure most of us do. And so on roots, if you are just adding your regular extensions that you use all the time, you spray the root powder, which is a tip.
That's another great tip. You're just tipping us left and right here.
So with this is the Rita Hazan one, but there's a lot of different ones now. Like you could get them at the drugstore.
Oh, wow. Everybody, look at this.
So this you're gonna wanna let dry.
I love it.
So that, then you could just clip it in, and then when you move, you won't see a hard blonde line there. First one here.
What is that called, that kind of comb that has the little...
Oh, rat tail. This is just like a little cheap rat tail comb because it helps you just get a good section. I don't always tease my roots when I clip in extensions either. You can, I'll show you. These have 3 clips, but I'll just tease the whole section.
Okay.
You don't have to be so specific.
And that was it, you just bop, bop.
Bop, bop. It's insane. She talks so loud. I'm like, they can do it.
Amazing.
You could do as many or as few as you like.
Oh my God, your hair is epic. I think everyone's gonna walk over your hair.
This is my like mermaid curling wand I do.
I love it. Who makes that? I want that too.
BondiBoost wave wand. It's amazing. Okay, and then.
Oh my God, I am obsessed. This is so cool.
Kind of fun, right?
It's really fun.
You could also use your clip to section if you have a clip like this.
I love this. People are gonna go crazy. That was quick and that was really cool. And I guess if you have dark hair, you could buy and have bleach the ends, right? So that.
Yeah. You could even get like inexpensive ones at like Sally's and use the blonde pieces, and you could color them all the way to the root, or you could spray the root and color the ends with the chalk and then add a little pop.
I love that. KYLEE, you did not disappoint today.
You like it?
I'm obsessed with it. I love this. This is so fun. She's the best. If you want to see good hair, follow KYLEE Heath. I love you, KYLEE. Thank you for joining us today.
Of course. And if you have questions, you could DM me.
Yay, DM her. She loves it and she'll get back to you. I love you, KYLEE.
I love you. Bye.
Bye.